There are more than 250 text to image converter AI tools available on the internet nowadays. But this is the only website which is 100% free, and you can generate text to image without the watermark, and the images will be in high quality. And there are other options also available, like you can upscale your image, you can edit your image from text. So this website is incredible. You won't believe these functions are available totally free of cost. So you will have to open your Google Chrome and search dexo.com. The first website will come. Open this first website. Then you will come to this interface. Here you will have to select text to image, and here you will have to give the prompt. So give the prompt and click on run. See how amazing picture they have created. So now go down and click on download, and it will be downloaded. So let me try with other prompt also. So I have given others prompt. Again click on run. See how amazing image they have created, whatever prompt we had given. So now click on download. See the quality of these images. They are in high quality. I will try one more option, upscale. So click on upscale. Here you will have to upload the image. See, I uploaded the image. Click on run. You can download it from here. Just click on download button and it will be downloaded. So now let me show you the quality, how they have improved the quality. So this was my earlier image, and this is the image they have upscaled. So how different these images are. So they have improved the quality of these images, guys. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day, all the best.